Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're playing Cloud City. You just get some people. This. So, no. Oh heck. Where is everyone? Oh. Let's just get this whole thing. Oh, now we have 32. That's pretty cool. Coffee party. Come on, where is everyone else? Oh, this way. You can see by the arrows. The piggies. We might not get first, but we might get second. Oh, we're in first place, guys. Now we have to try and keep this on. 41 seconds remain. It's really easy. Let's see. Come on, killer. So, this is a really fun game. Make sure to check it out and download it. It's called Cloud City. So, we just got it. Hey, we won! King Bass. So, let's play one more game, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe. Let's try that skin that we just got. Skins. No, I like the spider. I like this skin. Yeah, that's pretty cool. And now let's play it. So, where is one of the people? Got another person. We're very slow. Oh, now we're fast. So we're number 5 on the board. That's pretty close to. Now we're number 6. Okay, now we just killed whoever that guy was. And we might not get first this round, guys. Oh my god. What the heck? Hey, at least I got third, guys. Now let's just get a bunch more. So this is a really fun game. Make sure to go check the game out. We got second place. Make sure to like and subscribe. I'll end off the video here. Bye, guys.